Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have two trading strategies for binary trading on pocket option, of course. And don't forget to watch this video till the end, because at the end you can take part from my profit and share this video with your friends so we can increase your chances. Let's get started. Alright, we are on the broker. As usual guys, I have already analyzed and selected all currency pairs with the most optimal movement pattern. Today all currency pairs have high percentage in terms of payments since the OTC market, and we have intra-channel quotes now. So great time to earn even more money for the same number of transactions. I always think so. Always trying to trade on the OTC market. Also, do not forget about this. So today for the first strategy we're analyzing fractal bands, the fractal itself with default settings and the CCI oscillator with a period of 10. We will do it today. Try to use a breakout strategy along fractal bands and also focus on local highs and lows and watch overbought and oversold areas because of the CCI oscillator. Let's get started. Less talking, more trading. Alright, let's open here long position and try the breakdown strategy. Of course, opened at very peak of the candle body, but I think an exit should happen. Previously our trend had upward dynamics, upward volumes were observed, then we had a price rollback, correction in the form of this movement format, this one, and after updating the local minimum the dynamics rushed upward, and here is exactly the same breakdown guys. In fact, that I think that our further dynamics should go upward. So let's look at the result. We have 12 seconds. So easy, we're closing our first position, is on profits. Nice strategy works. Despite the fact that the opening level was not entirely successful, I'm still seeing rising volumes, and overall I'm absolutely satisfied with this deal. I'll change the amount, and for now we can see guys that the strategy is very good, so you need to try it too. Alright, here short position. Previously the trend was downward, and I think that this direction of dynamics still seems more natural here rather than upward or some direction, you know. But here earlier, after updating the local minimum, our price went up, showed its rollback. Then a formation took place of a new maximum, local maximum, and the movement went down, of course. In this area, there is again a breakout along the lower moving band of the fractal, and I think that our further dynamics should go down too, which is why we open here short position. Alright, and here we go, we're in the profits. That's great, without any problems we opened two positions and closed them in a profit. Excellent result for first strategy. So let's fix it and then move to the second strategy so we can get it too. Okay, operation successfully done. Let's move to the second strategy. Don't go away, there are gonna be a lot more interesting things. Okay guys, so second strategy. Today for second strategy we're analyzing such indicators as Keltner channel, and two oscillators are paired with it. Two stochastic, one period of 5, second one with a period of 10. On both oscillators there is an oversold area and overbought at 20 and 80. Let's start with a trade of 800. Go ahead and pick up our first currency pair for this strategy. Okay guys, long position for 800. Perhaps not a very successful entry, alright? It would be worth opening at a more favorable level a little lower, but in general I think that the logic of the transaction is correct. Let's highlight the workspace for you. So we have both oscillators more precisely. Their moving lines are in an oversold area and are about to cross this mark with a value of 20. This is our first signal to open the long position, then an excellent formation of a new local minimum, guys. The movement has reached the outer part according to the channel indicator, and here we open trade for a long. Let's watch the results. We have 10 seconds and we're in the profits. Our first position for second strategy in the profits, very easy. The signal was absolutely correct. We had a price rollback with downward dynamics. The deal closes with plus, so this is what we need. Let's continue. Let me select second currency pair. Alright, here I want to open long position. I explained the logic of entry. We previously had a downward trend, guys. Then the global price minimum was updated. We began to move to the top like that. Then we observe a rollback of the dynamics again, the formation of a new local minimum here, and exit from the oversold area for both oscillators, guys. So I think that our further dynamics should go up, of course. So let's look at the results. Let's wait. Perhaps here we should have opened much earlier, but I think we should still have a pullback, so that's why long position. Alright, and another position is on profits, guys. Successful entry, successful closing. So everything is good. The trade of the rollback has already decreased significantly, but the exit still occurs. The entry logic was absolutely correct. Strategy works, so the position is in plus. Let's continue and select the next concept pair. Alright guys, I want to open here short position. I can already see the formation of a new local price maximum. Here, perhaps our upward dynamics will go right now a little higher. Perhaps we will close the trade in minus, but I cannot help but open a position here at this second of a new local maximum is forming. We are almost touching the resistance area. Both oscillators are in the overbought area, so in this case I will open position for a short. Let's watch the results. Let's see. Yes, we closed position in red. Let's open another short position. I think that after all our dynamics should roll back and our movement should go down. Yeah, we can see dynamics going up. Perhaps the second deal will close in -2, and most likely the deal should have opened right here, but most likely I won't open the deal. Just like that, guys, still had a rollback in dynamics. The deal closed in a plus. As I said, the dynamics of our movement should go into a rollback, and in fact it did. The first position we were a little unlucky, but we closed the second in a plus. That's quite interesting because I was waiting for it and I thought at the end that we will not see dynamics so far. But that's great result. Let's open a few more positions to consolidate our results, because one minus position is not good for me. I want more. Alright, right here, long position. Based on the formation of the local minimum we are now experiencing, I think that the dynamics of our movement will have to go up. In general, we have also already seen a rollback, but moving along both oscillators is an oversold area. In general, there is also a pullback in the formation of a new local minimum, guys. I think that the dynamics of our movement should go up, So let's look at the result now. So easily our last position closed in a positive territory, an excellent result for today. Let's fix it and move on to the conclusion. Alright guys, operation successfully done. So this is 2 strategies for today. I wish you like it. I wish you will try it. Leave in the comments which strategy you like more, how much profit did you get, and also likes, comments, subscriptions to my Telegram and YouTube channel. All the links you may find below in the description. Have a good market. Bye bye.